instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Sinto um frio na barriga, tudo isso me lembra a cena de um filme. O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Celeste divino merece um hino, seu corpo.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
A core principle of the EDC way of life is to always be prepared with the right tools for your daily needs. At Clip and Carry, we want to help you carry your EDC in the most comfortable and easily accessible manner. This is the SwissQlip by Clip and Carry, and it makes the world's greatest EDC multi-tool even better. For decades, the iconic Victorinox Swiss Army knives have undebatably been the most popular EDC multi-tools on the planet. But they do have their drawbacks. Carrying them loose in your pocket creates an EDC bulge and make it hard to access your knife. And when attached to your keyring, the tools become awkward to use. The SwissQlip is the result of 2 years of design and engineered to fit nearly all 91mm Swiss Army knife models. The SwissQlip attaches in seconds with a single Torx screw utilizing the integrated keyring loop. So upgrade your EDC with the SwissQlip.